Hi, this is Helga with your Toronto Real Estate Update. Home sales were up in January 2024 in comparison to last January. This annual increase came as some home buyers started to benefit from the lower borrowing costs associated with fixed-rate mortgages. I had buyers that purchased recently, and by the time they closed on their home, their mortgage rate was adjusted downward from over 6% to just over 5%, which made an impact on their monthly mortgage cost and was a welcome surprise. New listings were also up year over year, but by a lesser annual rate compared to sales. This resulted in tighter market conditions compared to last January, which may indicate an upward trend in price growth as we move into the spring market. So we're all watching the inflation rate closely. Core inflation remains above 3.5 despite flat economic activity in the fourth quarter of 2023, which is likely due to the fact that mortgage costs are tied into the inflation rate, and therefore it's currently the single biggest contributor to the higher inflation rate. The Bank of Canada expects the rate of inflation to recede as we move through the year. Until then, the bank will likely hold the overnight policy rate at 5%. If and when inflation eases to below 3%, we can expect lower interest rates to follow, which would bolster home buyers' confidence to move back into the market, which we are already starting to see. So, have you been sitting on the sidelines? It's time to jump back in. The Toronto real estate market can turn on a dime, and when rates start to move downward, you could quickly see home prices rising as competition among buyers starts to escalate. And you may find that by the time you find your perfect home, the rates may be lower. As a seller, you may benefit from the lower listing inventory in many neighborhoods throughout Toronto. Buying or selling, you just need the right strategy, and I can help with that. I have developed both a home buyer and seller guide to help you get started. They are both available by downloading the links below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I love talking about Toronto real estate. I hope to hear from you soon. This is Helga from Helga's Homes.